Good day, guys, and welcome to Abdullahi Network. I know most of you are just watching my videos for the first time, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe for more amazing content because all my videos are always amazing. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for coming back. And also remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a one-page landing website even without you having any coding experience. So it's something that's very simple and anyone can do after this video. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser. So in your browser, the name of the software you're using is CAD, C-A-R-D, CAD.co. So just search for it on Google. So and when you scroll down, you will see it here. CAD, simple, free, fully responsive one-page site. So you click on it. So when you get there, you get to this place here, and if you are not sure what CAD is, they explain what it is. You can just click what is CAD. So build one-page site for anything, pretty much anything. Build one-page site for pretty much anything. So you can use it to build just a one-page website and showcase it to the world that this is what you are doing and doing this kind of thing. So I can see some of the samples there already. There's something that's very easy for you to do. So the first thing you need to do is for you to have an account with them. So for me, I already have an account, but I'll log out from this account and log in with the second account that I'll create another account so I can show you how to do it. Okay, so imagine I don't have an account yet, so I want to create an account. So you create a sign up button. So your name, your password, your email address, and you confirm to the term of use and privacy policy. Then you click on sign up. So when you sign up, it takes you to your dashboard. Oh, I think I've used this email before, so I'll just use one of my other emails. Okay, so you click on sign up. You can also use it without signing up also. You can use this app without signing up at all. Okay, yeah, it's almost true. So when you signed up, it will give you a dashboard. So you need to verify your account first. So you click on send verification email. So it will give you a dashboard. This is your dashboard here. So but at first they have to confirm your account. So they've sent an email to me. So I'll just go to my I'll go to my Gmail. That's now it. Okay. Just to verify your account. Okay, as you can see at the top here, verify your card account. So you can just come here and click the link they sent to you to verify your account. So you click on verify account. That's all. I'll just close this Gmail tab. You are done. So you can now publish your live site. So the first thing you need to do is to come here and click on new sites. I just creating a site. I'm not using the one I've done before, so that's why I decided to use that one. So they have different landing page that you can just click on and re-edit. So I'll just look for one that's very much okay. So we have the profile, not for profile. to showcase yourself and what you do. We have a landing. You can also use it for form, a portfolio or so. So let's just go with profile. You want to tell the world anything you do or about yourself. So I'll just go with this. Let me just go with this. Okay, so you click on the one you want to use and you start editing it. So this is the name. This is the name. So you can just change the name to your name. You just click on it to change the name. It's very simple, something you can do, but it's something I have to tell you at the end of this video, so just keep on watching. So this is my name. What to do, let me say okay, YouTube content creator. Done. And you can write about yourself, a brief description about yourself and what to do. So you click on done. So this image, you add your image. For me, I'll just add one of my images. Okay. So just use one of your images. Accept. Okay, you can also add a text for those who can read. For those who can view your image. These are the visually impaired persons. So just click on done. So your image is there already. Everything here is done. You can also change the background. So just click on this background here. It will pop up with background. So if you are using an image, you can upload the image. But for me, I'll be using color. Okay, let me start to do it. Okay, so you can just change the color to anyone. I'm not done with it. Just change the color to any type of color you want. And if you are using image for the background, you can just upload it, or you can also pick from library. Library, they have a lot of images there. You can just use. Okay, let me just use this for the background. Oh, I've used color. Or let me just take out the image. Get background again. Okay, and as you're doing it, if you are not satisfied, maybe you make an error, you can just come here and click on back, undo again, undo. So I'm not satisfied with my own background there, so I'll just change my background again. Oh, background. Done. Okay, and about these ones, these icons are supposed to contain your links. So to do that, to change the links in there, just click on the icon you want to change. I'll remove this. Okay, and your email. So you add your email address. So when users click on it, it will just send it to your email. Your Twitter, you add your Twitter address. I'll write mine. Nah. Okay, so you can also change the color, but the color is like the Twitter color already. So okay, I'm not true. You can also add other channels or whatever you do, like this one. Now I'll just change mine to YouTube because I don't have a Reddit account. You can just change it to any platform you are using. YouTube, then you add your address. So very, very simple. So when users click on it, you take them to whatever address is there. That's my channel. So next one, I have a Dogecoin. So I'll just add maybe my Instagram. Okay, so add your Instagram address. Click on done. I think that's all. Yes, so you can also add more to it if you want more icons to link to your. You can also add your WhatsApp or anything, just mention it. WhatsApp is there too. So let me see, for instance, I want to add WhatsApp, so it should be down here. Yeah, here it is. You add WhatsApp, so add your WhatsApp link. When users click on it to take them to your WhatsApp, when they click on this one, take them to. So to make it look very neat, I'll just add one more, and that should be my probably Facebook. Yes. Okay. Let's scroll down. Facebook. Okay. I'm not finding Facebook here, so you can just use any other platform that you also have. Facebook is supposed to be here. You can just add your Facebook. Okay, I've seen it. Here it is, Facebook. So when you just click on it, it direct them to your Facebook. So you add your URL, the link to your Facebook profile, Facebook, and writemine.com. Okay, and we are done with it. So with this, can just show your talent to the world. So you publish this site, so click on save, the title of your web page. I'll just give mine. Okay. So the brief description, my YouTube info. So whatever. So yeah, you can buy a domain if you have a custom domain already on another hosting site. So if you have for those who don't know what domain is, that's .com, whatever. So if you already have a domain, you can publish the site to a domain. But if you don't have a domain, you can publish the site through their link. Okay, so you can just give it a name. So whatever you want to use. So to be Abdullahi, the link to this place now will be abdullahinetwork.cat.0. Okay, so it's available. So just click on publish. Okay, so the background. Okay, your background, say there is an having issue with your background, so just click on background, change the color. Mine I'll use red because it goes with the cloth I'm wearing in the picture. So let's make this one a little bit brighter. Okay. Okay, that's all. So you can just click on save. So I've already given it Supply Network, so that will be the link to this site, and you click on publish. Okay, there's something I forgot to mention that's giving us error. You know what we said here was the background is image, so you change it from background to color. So you can also use video as a background, upload the video or slideshow, but it's in Pro. You can only use it in Pro. So you can only use gradient, colors, and number color. So let's make this one brighter. Make the red brighter, and it was okay. That should be okay. And you click on done. And you can now publish the sites. The link to this site is applinetwork.car.co. So you can just give it any link you love. Then you click on publish. So it's publishing, and that's all. So when you send this link to your friends, they'll be able to view the site. So you can just view the site. So when they view the link to come to this, wow, it's amazing. So as you can see, my name is not showing well. Yeah, so you can just come back here and re-edit it. Just make this one. Oh, undo. Okay, that should be enough. Click on save changes and publish changes. So when your friends come to this web page, it should show better on your smartphone. So when your friends come to this web page, when you click on this Facebook, it directs them to your Facebook profile. When they click on this link, so let's try this. I'll just open this on another tab and see, maybe it takes us to my YouTube channel. Okay, we are there already, so that's it. And maybe this one, the Gmail, the Facebook, everything is working. So just make sure you are not making mistake when you're adding your link. So that's all. As you can see on my profile already. So, and maybe the Twitter left. So everything is working here. So that's just it. Just the landing page, just to showcase what I'm doing. If you're a fashion designer or a graphic designer, I can just write it here, write what to do, and that's all. So watch out for my amazing content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Okay, see you guys in the next video.